share. Invite your friends and family. Exhibition time. Please share and call others. Let's enjoy this exhibition. Exhibition time. Exhibition time for shoe and bags. Your beautiful leather shoes and bags. Your jewelry, everything. Are you ready? Facebook people, please let me share. On Instagram, please invite your friends and family. This is for our exhibition. And you love to marry. Hey, will you marry me? Our first edition, exhibition Bazaar Market. Yeah. Invite your friends and family. Please share. I think it's our second time on Instagram. We are both on Instagram and Facebook. Call your friends. Bazaar time, exhibition time. It's Mama, you know, Veshin Bokakiri. This is the time. We call it Bazaar time, Bazaar Market. Exhibition time. Please share the video. Share this video. Let others knows what is happening here. Family, invite friends and family. Let's keep on enjoying it. Hello. Exhibition time. Exhibition time. Bazaar Market. Oh, my shopper. Hey, Bambette. Oh, Padà, exhibition time. Bazaar Market. We are also on Instagram Live. You can check on Aham and Iloju TBF and Iloju Olodumare one. Please invite your friends and family. Share on Facebook. Invite your friends on Instagram. It's our first time, I think second time on Instagram. Please let me share. Call your friends and family. Bazaar time. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your sister, your daughter, and your friend. Yeah, this is the time, exhibition time. Basa Market, exhibition time. Please invite your friends and family. In Canada time, I think we're just, can you time me Canada and say? Canada time, we are just to 2. UK time, you guys should be around 8 o'clock, maybe to 8 or to 7. Likewise, Nigeria. Please call your friends and family. Let's do it together. This is Basa time. We call it Basa. Yeah, exhibition time. Please, let's share this video. Let's share this video. Let's share this video. We got a beautiful market here. We need to show you guys. Let's enjoy it together. Invite your friends and family. Yes, Basa time on Instagram. We are on Instagram too. Please invite your friends and family. Basa time. We got beautiful things to show you guys. Invite your friends and family. Giacomo and Ilodu is on board. Exhibition time, Basa time. Let's see together beautiful things in stock. We have beautiful shoes, beautiful clothes, beautiful bags. And Mama Shedi every week will be coming out. Oh yeah, invite, share. We call it exhibition. Let's up a pocket. Yay! Let's up a pocket. Yeah, I can see you on Instagram. Please invite your friends. Basa time. I'm watching the motto. Invite your friend. Share. On Facebook, TBF Ilodu Olodumare. Then on Instagram, we are live there too. Please help me share. Exhibition time. Basa Market, exhibition time. Cheers! gbàdúrà mi. Ẹni orí ẹ̀ ó dilé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n share ẹ̀ lórí Facebook. Basa time. Exhibition time. Oh yeah, just open. Please share. This is Basa time. Exhibition time. We want to showcase what we have for you. Sorry, we need to share this on Facebook. Let me do it on the laptop. Please share Basa time, Facebook. I'm here. I need to share it to other pages. Oh yeah, just open. Hey, will it happen? Ilẹ̀kùn. Invite your friends and family. Let's dig it together. Exhibition time. Basa market with Ayilojo Olodumare. Please share, invite your friends and family. Ilẹ̀kùn. Facebook people, share. We will soon go for the exhibition now. Share, invite your friends and family. We got beautiful things to show you guys. Another advertisement. Please share. This is your daughter, your sister, and your friend, Oluwalobumi, popularly known as the CEO, Ileshe TBF. And you know, do entrepreneur, and you know, do signature. Please share this video. We will soon go to our program now. We are doing the exhibition today. We started the exhibition today. Are you ready? Are you ready for the exhibition? We got beautiful shoes, beautiful leather bags. We have nice original designers. It's just like an auction. It's going to be like an auction. Whatever you like to battery, you just say number 1. Anything tabamujade by numbers. Call it number 1, number 2. If you love the price, we are not going to be hiring the price like auction, but we will give you the price straight away. That's why we call it exhibition. We call it bazaar market. We will tell you the price straight away. If you like it, because we are not bringing 2 things at the same time, it will be 1 by 1, different sizes, different designers, different type of shoes and bags. Leather bags, beautiful shoes, and beautiful clothing. We might go on and on and on and on. But for today is the first day, the first episode, the first edition. So let's see how it goes. Let me share it. Call your friends and family. We got beautiful things. Trust me, you're not going to be disappointed. You should know your daughter. Trust me, it's going to be bam. Let's go. Please invite your friends and family. Share, invite your friends. Call your people and Eulogy is out. It's time for exhibition. Bazaar market. We are also live on Instagram. You can go on Instagram as well. If you don't want people to see you on Facebook, go on Instagram. I have TBF and Eulogy Maren 1 on Instagram. Glory Facebook on Facebook. You know my Heidi, we are there too. Keep on sharing. Yeah, I can see. Thank you for showing love. Thank you. You must not miss this. I'm trying to share it on my main page on Facebook. Okay, let's go through like this. Okay. TrendyBeats.com. Okay, I think we are there. Let me check. My Facebook people, please let me share. Exhibition time. Okay, we are not there yet. Àti dé. Àti wà lórí main page lórí. Lori Facebook. So let me go through this. Can you feel that? Thanks for showing the love on Instagram. Thank you. Please share. Can you feel that? We got beautiful shoes and clothes, beautiful bags, American bags and shoes. Please share. Thank you so much. Kemi Akiride, Akitude, yeah? Yeah, thank you. We have it. You see the band? We are going to show you everything today. With cheap price, American wears. Please invite your friends. I will not stand until you invite. Size 10, yeah, it's very big. We have them in different colors. The band, you can wear it with anything, even with cotton sew, Nigerian clothes. You sew your dress. I don't want to start here. Please invite people if you want me to start. Yeah, it's time to go now. Ejakabere. Ẹjọba ní luck ló máa bá wa lẹ́nu ẹ̀. No, you can see them. Hello everyone. Hello. Yeah, I can see you beautiful people on Instagram too. Yeah, welcome. Can you please invite your friend? We're going to start the program now. We are going to start the program now. This is your friend, your sister, and your daughter, Oluwalobumi, yeah, Adeagbo, popularly known as the CEO, Ilesha TBF, and Iloju Entrepreneur, and Iloju Signature. Yeah, Atidoju Bagadeva. We are going to start. Where do we start from? We have a lot to showcase for you guys. Trust me, you're not going to regret this. I want you to invite people on Instagram. Please share this video on Facebook. Emma Jakawe, why can't you invite me? Oh, can you hear the cheapo? This is American stars. Forget about it. They are beautiful things. I want to anywhere to war, you will look unique. Wherever to badewa in the whole wide world, olama shipe lo ma kun lara ni anywhere to bawa kakiri agbaye. Try and share this program. Yeah. You want size 19? UK 19. Yeah. Okay, no problem, my sister. Yeah, let's go there. We've got so many orders for this dress. If you need this band, you can see. Let me show you fully. Like I told you, this will go for the lucky people. The last ones in stock. Last ones in stock. The black one I'm wearing, look at it. This is how it looks. You can see it's real leather. Trust me. Wow, lo. And you will give it to people. You will just give it out. Because you will get tired of it. Another design, I think I'm tired of wearing this one. Now let me just change my style. Please let me invite people on Instagram. I know I don't really do live chat on Instagram. This will be the second time. The first time to Instagram, I just try to see how it goes there. But thank God I can see Instagram are doing good too. So I love being on Instagram today. I'm happy being on Instagram today. So look at it. Shetiri, the one I'm wearing. Look at the back. This is how the back looks. Do you see? That is how the back looks. You see? Anybody can wear it to size 16. If you are wearing size 16 in UK, this is the first one. Please write it down. Write it down. Basa Market. This go for now, Lenny, we are giving you for $35. Please write it down. $35 in Canadian dollars. In US dollars, ole majubeya be $20. Lobenye. In UK pounds, ole majubeya be £15 or 12 or something. When you want, because we deal with PayPal and deal pelu. Look at it. Okay, Kemi. Yeah, killer. Yeah, you need one of these. The black one, or we have it in red. I think Bobo other colors. I think we used to have red with Bobo brown. Yes, it's on. So the remaining brown, Tokulele. Yeah, we got, look at this. This leather, Otuyato City LA. So I'm going to take this off now for you to see how this look like. Thank you so much. Thank you, my people on Instagram. Thank you. I want to show you this. You see? Now you can wear it like this. These are the classic Imura you need. You need to dress unique and different among people. Let people say whatever. Let them copy you too. Whenever Tobati dress to look good, people will copy you. You know what I mean? People must copy you. They will see the new thing in you and they will copy. Look at it. If you are bigger than, I don't want to know. Me, my size is 10 what? Till like size 22. You can take this. This is the only one. Please, yeah, I'm going to pin the PayPal now. I'm going to pin the PayPal. Make sure you write what you are buying on your comment. If you are number 1, put 1. Thank you, Sister Kemi. You are just an hero. Just put it down. We got just 3 left in this black. 3 left in this black. You can wear it with anything. Trust me. You are good to go with this. Me, yeah. I like to dress like, you know. Just bring your own style. Yeah, I'm going to pin the PayPal soon. I will pin the PayPal. I'm coming. Sherry Brandy. Auto Bidebi Wipe. Look at it. It's going now. Going. $35. Exhibition. $35. Is going. Exhibition. $35. We deal with PayPal. We ship worldwide. You know our number. +1 416 7256606. At Ifisori page 13 or you go on my page, you see our link there. I want to show you more. So that is that. So the black, we've got to order for the blacks. We've got to order for the blacks. So the black remain 1. This is mine. This is mine. Perfume anyways. So this one remained 1. The black remained 1. Just only 1. Only black is cool. So we are going to go on the other colors. Invite your friends and family. Invite your friends and family. Basa time, Lele. This is Basa market. Thank you. Please share. Invite people. Look at the red one. Just like the brown one. The one I'm wearing now. This is the red one. Eyokopere loku. Because I want to be gone. Long round is very big. This brown and the red, they are so big. You see how big it is? So this is the black one. You can see how the black one looks. Now this is the black one. Oh yeah. Thank you. I'm coming. You see the black one? Sherry. This is how you're gonna look. Imagine you wearing nice, yeah, nice, simple heel. You know, wearing this transparent, simple heel on it. We have it. Please write it down. We have it. This is size 39. Size 39. Going. Size 39. Just $30. Size 39. $30. Canadian $30. Size 39. On Instagram. Size 39. Canadian dollars. 39. Size 39. Going. No, you put that one there. Yeah, going. Going. 39. One for the shoe. 39. Thank you. Gone. This one is gone. This one is gone. Matilda Lawal. Matilda Lawal. We're going to pin our PayPal. This is just $30 in Canadian money. Canadian dollars. Transparent with beautiful American shoes. You can see. Very beautiful. Yeah, Matilda. Thank you, Matilda Lawal. That one is gone. Let me bring the paper and your name. So we'll be giving you music in between. Invite friends and family. Matilda. Wow. Then my sister Kemi Aki today. The Black Band. And this dress, we have them in different colors. Nice, beautiful colors. So Sister Kemi, one. Share this program now. Instagram people, sorry. Instagram Facebook we know shiny appreciate. I'm greeting you. I'm greeting you.
This thing can't be good for our eyes.
Yeah. We have to go now, continue. So, this part is gone already. So the shoe, we need to go on shoes now. If you need the belt, we still have it, just one remaining. Yeah, we have one remaining in this belt. We have it remaining in this belt, $35 in Canadian dollars. Shetiri. Okay. Let me do that straight away. Let me do that quickly. Can you hear to change? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm back now. I want to pin the paper. Yeah. I'm pinning. I'll pin the paper now. I don't want it to be boring at all. Mo fẹ́ ká gbogbo time tá bá máa lò. Mo fẹ́ ká enjoy ara wa. Music mama lọ underground. You know what I mean? Please invite your friends. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ pè wọ́n wọlé pó tí ń happen. Ẹ pè wọ́n. A ti ń lọ síbi àwọn bàtà àtàwọn beautiful bags ńláńlá báyìí o. À ń lọ síbi bàtà àti bags ńsìn nìyẹn o. coming, oh, Kemi. It's one. Orí yẹn ló pa mí lẹ́rìí o. Yeah, I think I get my paper now. Mo ti tag the paper on yẹn o ṣó wọlé. Èékánná ọ̀ràn tí mo ṣe gbogbo ti ẹ̀jọ̀wọ́ mi ò fúnra mi ni mò ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ o. I do my makeup myself, my nails, everything. Talent ti pọ̀ jù. This is yellow, Sherry Dada vibe. Sherry vibe. Mo ń bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n fa cotton yẹn. Kí ló dé tí o show dada? Yeah. We have this in 40. 40. This is 45. 40 going. 40. 40. Size 40. Size 40 on Instagram. Size 40. Going. Just write it down. Number 3. Item 3. Number 3. Number 3. Size 40. Size 40. Multi-pin paper, yeah? Size 40. On Instagram. Boy. Size 40. Going. Size 40. Yeah. Multi-pin eh? 40. 40. 45 Canadian dollars. You see? Beautiful shoe. You can see. You need to step out in you know, in a style. Toba majade ko sheba. You know? These are American shoes. American things. 40. Going. Yeah. Oh, show dada lórí Instagram. You see the yellow. This is size 41. For those people that are wearing, you can see block heel. Size 41. If you are wearing a bigger size, this is an exhibition. Size 41. On Instagram, size 41. For those of you that are wearing bigger sizes, size 41 is yellow. Me, more reason to show by me be by. The yellow is not showing good on Facebook. 41. We are giving it out for $50. American $50 today. American $50. Canadian $50. Sorry. Canadian $50. So ni American dollars. Ole ma jube abi $40. Abi ni 30 something dollars lo. Nice shop lele fun yin. Trust me. Trust me, nobody can come. You won't wear this and start seeing it from others. You can see on Instagram. Shenwo. Mama like be Instagram we she full oh. Look at it. And it shows the color very well. Going. 41. The bigger size, 41. Item 4. Write it down. Item 4. If you like it, yeah, multi-pin paper Walori Facebook. If you like it, $50 Canadian dollars. Exhibition Bazaar Market. Yeah. On Instagram, yeah. Okay, gone. Another one. We'll be going out Mama Sheni. We are Mama Sheni be at 10 shoes, 10 bags. Come on, bobo time wa. Because look at this. Jeans sneakers. Jeans knee. Very beautiful. This is size 42. And it offers 43. She money size 43, Sha. I will check for you. Tabani size 43. This is size 42. Jeans sneakers. Can you see it clearly? Very beautiful. Trust me. You are good to go. Beautiful one. Size 42. For those of you that are wearing bigger sizes. Size 42. So beautiful and classy. Look at it. Look at it. Item number 5. Number 5. Yeah, on Instagram. Number 5. Item number 5. On Facebook. Just write it down. Okay, and you do number 5. Item number 5. 45 Canadian dollars. 45 Canadian dollars. 45 Canadian dollars. Size 42. Size 42. Going size 42. Exhibition Bazaar Market size 42. Beautiful sneakers. You can see. Fine October Gatoba ni big fifth. You don't need to wear ill. Anywhere Toba step in. Look at it. Share. Item number 5. Item number 5. 45 Canadian dollars. Going 45 Canadian dollars. Going size 42. Not 43, 42. Size 42. Going. We have a lot to showcase. So I don't want to waste our time. Size 42. Yeah, I can see your payment. Yeah. Size 42. Size 42. Yeah. This is UK 10. Yes, UK 10. UK 10, size 42. US size 42. UK 10. If you're wearing bigger size. UK 10. Just $45 Canadian dollar. Ní UK money, ó lè má ju bóyá £30 lọ. Canadian dollars. Size 42. Yes, Matilda. Yes. Do you want to take this with your items? Yes, Matilda. Size 42 UK 10. If you're wearing a bigger size, you are tall. Oh, Instagram people. Okay, okay. J11 days. Item 5. Item 5. $45 Canadian dollars. Gone. Gone, Matilda, gone. I'm sorry. It's gone. It's gone on Instagram. Someone have took this on Instagram. First come, first serve. First come, first serve. First come, first serve. It's better you invite your friends and family to come and see this themselves. They will be able to pick. Sorry, Matilda. I'm so sorry. Gone. This one is gone. We are moving on. We have so many beautiful shoes. Look at these loafers. Look at these transparent, beautiful slippers. Can you feel it? On Instagram, can you feel it? Bazaar time, exhibition time. American shoes and bags and clothing. Can you see? Beautiful, nice slippers. Size 40. Size 40. Beautiful slippers. Please invite your friend to this exhibition. Why can't you invite me then? People will pick everything now. And I decided to be showing like 10 or 15 every week. Every week. I will be showing 15 bags, shoe 15s. So Baba Shefe, invite your friends and family now. Can you feel these slippers? It came in 3, and trust me, why people do patronize and they love this. They love it so much. Please invite your friends and family. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Going. $40 in Canadian dollars. $40 in Canadian dollars. $40 in Canadian on Instagram. Can you see clearly? $40 in Canadian dollars. $40 in Canadian dollars. This is so beautiful. You can see transparent slippers, size 40. That is UK 7. Yeah. I think it's UK 8. Yeah. Can you see? This is American sizes. American sizes. Yeah, we do ship everywhere. Not only in Canada. We ship back to America. We ship to UK. To anywhere. The only place that I ship law because of the what's it called? The postage. Otiwaju. Only Germany. You have to have people in UK to collect it for you, then they will now send it to you. Go easy for a lot to send. We cannot send things from Canada to Germany directly. If you're buying things, it's too cost. So look at it. Can you see? Size 40, American 40, which is UK 8. American 40, UK 8. Just $40. American $40. Going item 6. Going item 6. Item 6 on Instagram. Transparent with beautiful bolero on it. You can see. Nice slippers for whoever. Tebasha moko tall. You are tall. Even if you are not tall, you don't like to be wearing heels at all time. You can easily wear this. Ibikibitoba jokosi, wherever you are, people will be looking at your feet. Trust me. Look at it. Going item 6. Size 40 UK 8. Size 40 UK 8 going. Going. Can you see it? Going. Gone. So, yeah. Item 7. Item 7. Invite your friends and family. Look at this shoe. Oh, show. Yellow yen show dada lórí Instagram. Wow. God damn it. Oh, show gidi gan lórí Instagram. How I wish you can see this beautiful yellow. How it is. It looks so cute. Size 40. $45. 45 Canadian dollars. Size 40 on Instagram. Item 7. Item 7. 40. Size 40. Beautiful yellow. The yellow color is even different. You can see. This is deep yellow, light yellow. You can see. You can see how the yellow looks. How it looks like. Look at it on Instagram. This is bigger. Atikuro lori, we are on this now. Size 40. $45. Size 40. So unique. Look at the point. Look at the front. Look how it looks. On Instagram. Item 7. Going. Item 7. Going. Item 7. $40 Canadian dollars. I mean, sorry, $45 Canadian dollars. Going. It has a matchup. I'm bringing a bag that goes with it. Daku, pa. Anywhere to step in, they will be looking at you. You need to come out in a classy way this year, 2022. Please invite your friends and family. Item 8. Is it 7? Yes, 7. Gone. You can pass it. Yeah. Let's play music a bit. I need a break. We'll go to item 7, Latin lawyer. We're going to item 8. Let's go for break. Let's listen to music. Won't you invite your friend? I need my break.
Your car is stolen. It's terrible.
You know, they advertisement is important. Okay? Enjoy the music while I'm on break. I need to take a break for a while. Exhibition time. Invite your friends. We will go for the item 8 now. We will go for the item 8. Invite your friend. Exhibition time. Your body is unnecessary. File it. 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 Your body is unnecessary. Anything that you want to invite your friends and family. Exhibition time. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. Your body is unnecessary. Oh, sorry, oh. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. Oh. Sorry, oh. African beauty is your body is a 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 body. Share. Invite your friends and family.
Number one DJ Jojo.
I went there with my best friend Kule that there with his girlfriend Shile. Ghetto girls that they like Takasufi. So many pretty girls they think I'm a Kule. I just had one that said we shall party. Everything yeah, everything there. Oh shit, I get many girls with them they come from away. AJ boys that they like to throw it. I'ma see go bed. We just having fun. We won't carry on. Crazy just like make this tiny jam. But my girlfriend they turn me on. That's why I hold on tight.
Yeah. That's why I hold on tight. Hold on, Jaja. Hold on tight. Hold on, Jaja. Hello, my beautiful people. Exhibition time. Basa Market with Ayilojo Olodumare. Invite your friend on Instagram. Ejaka Ono Janfani. We just having fun. We won't carry on. Crazy just like this tiny jam. But my girlfriend they turn me on. That's why I hold on tight. My people, are you ready? Item 8. Oh yeah. Item 8. Invite your friends.
Number one DJ Joe.
Yeah. Back to business. Item 7. Back to business. Item 7. 41. Size 41. 9 in UK. Sherry, look at it. Look at this sneaker. Oh, I love it so much. Look at it on Instagram. Look at it. Size 41. American US 41. 9 in UK and Nigeria. 9 UK and Nigeria 41. Going just $45. Item 7, $45. Write it down. Item 7, $45. Write it down. On Instagram, can you see? Size 41. On Facebook, size 41. Matilda, size 41. Are you there? Size 41. UK 9. $45 Canadian money. Canadian dollars. Exhibition. Bazaar Market. With beautiful shoes and bags. I love you so much, my darling sister. Size 41. I can see you. I love you. On Instagram, size 41. Size 41. You don't have to look like others. Bring your own style out. Let people copy you too. Don't you like people to see you and copy your style too? Be unique. Come out in grand style. You know what I mean? In grand style. Let them know. This is 2022. Going item 8. Yeah, no problem. Bags are coming soon. We have a lot of beautiful leather bags. Trust me. Size 41. Going for the shoes. After this, I think I'm going to show 10 shoes today. I thought I will go to like 15, but oh, this is draining me. I would lie to you. Look at it. Size 41, 9 in UK. Size 9 in UK. Exhibition time on Instagram. $45. Canadian $45. Canadian $45. Item 8. Write it down. Item 8. Going. 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 Going, Going, go, hey, yeah. Going. Item 8 in shoes. Item 8 going $45 Canadian dollars. Going. Gone, yeah. Yeah, we move on. Wow, are you ready for this? Oh, 39. Size 39. Look at this. On Instagram, size 39. Look how beautiful this is. Size 39. $45. Size 39. Can you see the gold very well? Pointy. Going. Going. Oh, low. Size 39. $45 Canadian dollars. Going. Yeah, going. Can you see the gold? Going. 39. Can you see the gold? Size 39. Can you see the gold? Look at it very well. Look at it closely. And Kogaju, you can see. Even if you're tall, you can wear it. Even if you're tall, you can wear it. Look at this. Size 39. American shoes. Can you see? Look at it. If you go to shop, trust me, you're not going to see this price. Look at this. That's why we call it exhibition. We call it exhibition. Basa on Instagram. We are also on Instagram. Yeah. Can you see? Go invite your friends and family. They will be annoyed with you later. Can you see? Going 39, $45, 39, gone. That's item 9. That is item 9. Item 9. This is item 10. Last shoe, Tamafion Wale. Look at that green color. Size 41. For those of you that are wearing bigger size, and you always have the bigger sizes. Even Momani 45, I do have 45 sometimes. 43, 42. Yeah. Look at it. Beautiful block heel shoes. You cannot compare yourself with anybody. When you get to the party, people will be like, oh, Talele Chowole, who is this diva? Who is this diva? Wow, look at that. Do you see the heel? Can you see the heel very well? Color and show that on Instagram, trust me. The color is bad on Instagram. It's showing exactly how the shoe looks like. I don't know if you can feel this green with metallic. Look at it. Very beautiful. Let me zoom it for you. Can you feel this? Can you say this? Wow. Trust me, anywhere to Bawa, people will be like, who be that girl gone? The shakara is too much. You know what I mean? Show them. Show them. Item 10. Write it down. $50. Canadian $50. Just Canadian $50. In UK, maybe just $30 or $35. UK pounds, maybe $35 or $30. Going. Canadian dollars, $50. $50 in Canadian dollars. On Instagram, can you see clearly? Yeah. $50 on $50 only. Canadian dollars, $50. Can you see? Very big and beautiful block heel. For those of you that like to wear heels and it's not too high, you can see. Please invite your friend. This is exhibition. Item 10. Write it down. Inbox me. Item 10. Item 10. Whenever you want to ask, to February, the green shoe, item 10. $50 Canadian dollars. We ship worldwide. We ship worldwide. Going. Shetty lost auction rate. Going. Screenshots. Oh yeah. 41. $50 Canadian dollars. Going. Item 10 in shoe. Going. Bye for now. Now, we're moving to the bags because mo feel pe mo ma le show wa ni much of shoes ni. But trust me, ó ti fẹ́ rin ayé. You know easy, Allah, ó ti fẹ́ rin ayé, man. Look at this bag. I got beautiful things for you guys, so Allah. Nice leather bag. Look at it. Go, I can share your conio. As you are looking at this bag, as you are looking at it, layers ni. Please let me share this thing. Layers ni o. This is the bigger one. Look at the one inside. It's about 3 or 2 in 1. You see the big one? They are all together. Big one. Keep on counting. Matilda, are you there? Yesterday, my friend, you there? This is inside this. You can use this as an handbag, as in Tucker's bag. You can see. And this one is a big one that you can put on your shoulder. You put this on your shoulder. Layers. We have it, I think it's 3 in 1. Are you counting it? Oh, it's even 4 or 5 in 1. Look at this. You even have a wallet. This have a wallet. Can you see this? He has a wallet. As a woman, coins. Coins man polo wa dada. You want to go to market. You don't want to take too much bag. You don't want to carry big bag. Just take the wallet. Look at the leather. Please invite your friends. This is an exhibition. You see? You see? feel this? You can do this together. This is the wallet. Inside the bag, the short one. Matilda, can you see it? It's about 5 in 1. This one will go for the bag, the big one. This go inside. Is real leather bags. Can you see? They are real leather bags, American leather bags. Can you see? Oh, another wallet. And this is for your cards. Only card order. Full package. Just $75. Canadian $75. Are you there? All these sets. It has a 5 full set. Exhibition. This complete leather big 5 full set going for 75 Canadian dollars. Are you there? This is card holder. It has a card holder. Oh, this is full option. No. You know what I mean? Look at the leather for you to know. It's an original leather. Boshema Kuniel. You don't have to wow designer, Kiri. You can classy yourself in anyhow, anyway. Just be on your lane and shaking it. Classy yourself. This is 2022. 5 in 1. Just 75 Canadian dollars. It has a key, only wallet, what's it called? Card holder. Walai, e yon le ko card 100 CB buy. 100 card could go on this. Trust me. In one bag, go full set. In one bag. In bag, item 1. Don't forget to write it. Item 1. I want it. Just say item 1 in bag. 5 in 1. 5 in 1. Just 75 Canadian dollars. Sherry pe basagidini. 75 Canadian dollars. This is wallet again. Is a big wallet. You want to go to the market. You don't want to take a big bag. Even only something that you can use it to, like a cross bag. It has it. You can use it like a cross bag. $75. Full set. $75. You can see. Well, if it's anywhere, walk around hang it. You know what I mean? On Instagram, yeah. Full set. 5 in 1. $75. Let me show you the wallet. Let me show you another wallet. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you see it? Full set. 5 in 1. Full set. 5 in 1. Full set. First bag number 1. Number 1 bag. 5 in 1. Item 1. Item 1 is key design. Key in official design. Item 1. Full set. 75 Canadian dollars. Going 75 Canadian dollars. Going 75 Canadian dollars. Going. Item 1 for the bag. If you want to send a message, item 1 for the bag. Going. Gone. Yeah. I will soon go for another break. Another beautiful leather bags. Odu mi pe ra won kini iloju. How I wish you can see them one-on-one like this. This is 3-in-1. Can you see the leather? 3-in-1. Can you see the leather? Can you see the leather? 3-in-1. Black. Can you see the leather? I think they're even more than 3. Yeah, it's 3-in-1. Let me check. Yeah, it's 3-in-1. And it has a beautiful cross hand. You can take it as you like. Look at the inside. Beautiful leather bags. This one is just $70. Canadian $70. Can you see? Canadian $70. 3-in-1. Where's my Matilda Low? All the bags are going on. Second items. I'm going to show only 10 for today. You see the wallet? This is the third inside, the wallet. Full package. Full package. Full package. 70 Canadian dollars. 70 Canadian dollars. You see? Look at how you're gonna lock it. This is classy and beautiful. Trust me. Can you feel it? Look at the hand. Going. Item 2 for the bag. Going. 3-in-1. Item 2 for the bag. Going 3-in-1. Item 2 for the bag. $70 Canadian dollars. Going. I'm for unique all sales Nissin, which is exhibition. If it's not exhibition, this one is 120 last. Going. If it's not exhibition, it will go for 120 last. Going. Item 2. Gone. Let me go for break again. Emma Binu.
Tosticano, and I've been even downtown Mexicano. That's the rapper, Marcilago.
Invite your friends.
She say she like the kind guy with his spend money. Look at all the money with it and funny. Just last week, my guy did bomb below here. When police came, I swear you guys disappear. Yeah, I'ma make up your mind. If you fight, I'ma break up on time. Life no be play to survive, no be crime. But at least I'ma talk till you cry.
Se mi
okay to come.
Yes, so this is item 3 in bag. Can you feel that? Talomo designer to rebuy. Can you remember designer exactly like this? Item 3. 45. Item 3. Beautiful party bag. 45. Item 3. In bag. On Instagram. 45. Item 3. Just write it down. 45. Item 3. Party white bag. Shema designer tofite. Item 3. Item 3. In bags, item 3. Write it down. Item 3. Item 3. Item 3. Can you see it? Item 3. Going. Item 3. Item 3. For the bag, $45. Item 3, party white bags. Item 3, going. I'm getting tired though. Oh, you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. We have these slippers in 40. Can you see? Versace pattern. American Versace pattern. Can you see? This is just $95. $95. In shoe items 11. $95. We have it in different colors, just 2 colors. Can you feel it? Can you see it? This one is 39, says 39. Size 39. Can you see it? Size 39. It's going for $95, Canadian $95. Size 39. Size 40. Canadian $95. Size 40. Please invite your friend. I will soon be going now. I'm getting exhausted. Exhausted, giddy new. And by a genuine. Yeah. Item 12. Size 39. Item 12. Size 39. Canadian $95. Canadian $95. Yes, I can see the payment. Thank you. Canadian, I can see the payment. Yeah. This will be the last one I'm showing today. I'm sorry, I'm tired. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. The yellow bag. Nice leather. Original leather bags. Wow. Bó ṣe máa bá kú nìyẹn o. Bó ṣe máa bá kú nìyẹn o. Original leather bags. This one is 3-in-1 too. Original leather bags. Can you see? They are real original leather bags. Bó ṣe máa kú nìyẹn. Item 4 in bags. Item 4 in bags. Yeah, 2-in-1. Item 4 in bags. $65. Item 4 in bag. $65. Canadian $65. Exhibition. Call your friends and family. This one even have 2 hands. Wow. Let me show you something. $65. Canadian $65. Can you see that? It comes with a bag. Can you see that? 2-in-1 beautiful leather bags. Can you see that? On Instagram, can you see? 65 Canadian dollars. Yeah, I will be leaving you guys for today. Then I will be seeing you again next week. Going. 2-in-1 in this one. Yeah, Matilda, you can send me a message. I need to go. I'm tired now. I'm tired. Yeah, going. How many hours, Latilo? Because I need to do some other things. Going. 2-in-1. Just say item 4 in bag. Item 4 in bag is our first day. Thank you so much. I'm so impressed. I'm really so impressed for you guys patronizing. Oh, me ò tiẹ̀ expect it because it's our first attempt. And you all surprised me. Thank you so much. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you to you all. I will see you next week. Before then, àlàáfíà tí mo fi yín sí, òun ni mo tún máa padà bá yín. This is your sister, your daughter, your friend, Oluwalobumi, popularly known as the CEO, Ilé-iṣẹ́ TBF, Ẹ̀yinlójú Entrepreneur, Ẹ̀yinlójú Villa Signature. Yeah, I'm using this time saying bye to you all. Bye, Instagram. Thank you for your time. I love you all. I love you all. We'll see you next week. Yeah, it's our first time. Yeah. Hey, báwo náà ṣe máa ń hand the Instagram? Okay, end the video. Thank you. On Instagram. Thank you. On Facebook. My beautifuls. Thank you so much. So we stop on this today. This beautiful yellow. You can see. Nice, beautiful leather. Yeah. This is item 4 in bag. Please write it down whenever you need, so we will know what you want. Just $65. Just $60. I'm happy. I love you all. Let me be going now. 2-in-1. So I will see you guys next week. Just call Ẹ̀yinlójú. You can visit our website on www.tbf.ẹ̀yinlójúvillasignature.ca. Tàbí kẹ́ pè wá lórí +14167256606. Yeah, this is your friend and your daughter. Don't forget, we have a lot going on in our company. Ẹyin lójú food plantain flour. Ẹyin lójú bean powder with sauce. Ẹyin lójú slim tea. Ẹyin lójú farmland in Nigeria. Omi Adio. Ẹyin lójú fashion nails for all your clothing, your shoes, your beautiful bags, your real designers coming from Harrods, real original designers. Lati Harrods. I wanted to show you our oud perfumes, but I'm tired. We have a beautiful perfumes. Oud. O-U-D. Fún gbogbo àwọn tó bá like perfume bíi tèmi. We have some perfumes for $1,000. We have some for $900. We have so many things. Beautiful perfumes. Don't hesitate to visit our pages on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. If you have my number, you will see so many things on my status. Lori WhatsApp. I want to say thank you for your time. I love you all. Before I go, let me just give you a nice music. And I will be saying goodbye for now. See you next week for when we're coming back for exhibition. Don't forget to join our program on Sunday. We also do a program on Sunday. That doesn't take long time, like little time to speak to each other, motivate each other. Sundays. And I will be seeing you every week for our exhibitions. Basa, I love you all. Let me be going. You can see I'm freaking tired now. I'm tired. I get many guys when they come from away. They boys and they like to throw it. I'm a single man. Rejoice.